This is MOFT Z, the world's first invisible sit-stand laptop desk. It has a Z structure that stands up in seconds and folds back like paper. Easy, flexible, and invisible to be stored anywhere you want. It takes the stress off your back with a quick standing, making a joyful, relaxing posture without interrupting your mind and thoughts. The fiberglass material makes it thin yet durable after folding for thousands of times. And the Z structure with magnetic attachment helps you type stable and steady in the air with all kinds of laptops on your hands. MOFT Z also provides 3 different angles to use when you sit down. You can type, read and write, browse, or make the laptop a monitor while using accessories comfortably in your chair. Try MOFT Z, a new way to lift your body, your laptop, and your working spirit, transforming in anywhere, at any time. Back us now on Kickstarter.